There's your pizza feet. And see how she's making her arms round? We call them ball arms. I want to pretend you're holding a big ball. And I'm going to put my ball. You can see if it fits through. Okay, watch. See how her arms are really big like a ball? Let's see if the ball fits through. Good job. Oh, we don't want them really big. We want our fingers close. See if the ball fits through. Whoops, it's not fitting. Now make it a bigger ball. There we go. There's a big ball. You think it'll fit through? A little bit bigger. There we go. Oops, don't close it. Keep it a big ball. A little bit bigger. Can you stay just like this? This is perfect. Stay perfectly still.
Yay!
There you go. Good job. Okay, can you both go back to these feet? We're going to do our ballet dance. And can you follow along or face the window, mirror?
Pizza feet, buddy, pizza feet.
Face this mirror back.